The New South Wales Government has committed to build a world-leading commercial-scale viral vector manufacturing facility. This facility will be able to produce viral vectors, a key component of cell and gene therapies, here in Australia, for use by the Australian and international biomedical community. This means securing our viral vector supply and giving patients access to groundbreaking therapies.
When we started on our journey for viral vector manufacturing, we scoured the world for evidence of what works best, and all the evidence indicated to us that private partnerships were absolutely critical to the success of these initiatives.
It's important to develop this type of industry in Australia as well as just the research, because when we graduate very smart people who have done research in this area, it's important that in the end we're able to make good use of their skills to really generate economic impact.
There's now so much demand for viral vector technology coming out of both the commercial and academic sectors that there's a massive undersupply. So demand exceeds supply several fold. And our own experience there is a 2-year wait for manufacturing. Viral vectors are little packages of genetic information derived from viruses, but they no longer have any of the effects you might expect from viruses other than the ability to ferry the genes into cells and tissues of the body.
So by having this facility in New South Wales or in Australia, there will be a lot of IP coming directly from manufacturers. However, I think that the most significant IP for us will be the therapeutics themselves.
We actually on the Westmead campus now have some of the most elite gene delivery technology on the planet.
Westmead is the largest hospital in the Southern Hemisphere. Over many, many years, the skill base in terms of understanding viral vectors, how to produce them, manufacture them, and deliver them has been built up there. It is, of course, also one of 3 major precincts in Sydney, which will indeed house not just biomanufacturing in general, but all medical technologies. So there will be an ecosystem there of companies, both local and international, which will drive the commercial development of the technology into many different areas.
It is life-changing, and if we have the capacity to assist in mitigating the adverse effects of genetic diseases, finding cures for cancer, and I think we've got the intellectual capital and expertise to be world leading in this area.